In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word to PDF using Google Drive. This is a quick, reliable way to create a clean, shareable PDF without installing any extra software. We'll use the Google Drive website and keep everything simple and clear. Start by opening your browser and heading to a Google page where you can see the Google Apps icon. It's that small grid of dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Click the Google Apps icon to open the panel of available tools. From there, click Drive. This takes you straight into Google Drive where all your files and folders are stored. Once Drive is open, move your mouse to the specific Word file you want to convert to a PDF. Hovering your cursor over the file helps you confirm you've selected the right one before opening it. You'll usually see a preview thumbnail or the file name and extension, like .doc or .docx. Make sure it's the document you intend to convert. Now open that document. A simple click will launch it in Google Docs within your browser. You'll see your content ready to view and, if needed, adjust for layout before exporting. This preview step is helpful because PDFs preserve formatting. Taking a moment to glance over headings, images, and page breaks can save you from surprises later. Next, look to the top left of the Google Docs interface and click File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options for managing your document. Move your mouse to hover over Download. A side menu will appear with multiple formats. From that list, select PDF document. The moment you click PDF document, Google Docs will generate a PDF version of your file, and your browser will begin downloading it automatically. Most browsers save it to the default downloads folder, and you'll usually see a quick confirmation at the bottom or top of your screen. That's the full process. Click Google Apps, click Drive, hover to find your specific file, open that document, click File, then hover over Download and select PDF document. In just a few clicks, you have a polished PDF that's easy to share, print, or archive. If the document started as a Word file, Google Docs handles the conversion behind the scenes, keeping your text, images, and layout intact as much as possible. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to convert Word to PDF using Google Drive in a fast, dependable way.